So I can say that just like we have that Arduino, in the same way, we have arranged a kit for you. We have made a kit for you which has a compact design, and it has all the important sensors and LEDs and everything that is needed to play with the Arduino, to make things with the Arduino. Yeah, is it clear now that which kind of wires we'll be using?
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay. You got distracted with the cat. Is she also
No,
preparing for
he was
electronics?
He was running away, so I had to put him back.
Okay, I understand.
So these are the example. When the electricity is flowing, the lamp started glowing. That is known as a closed circuit. And the open circuit, where there is a breakage. You can see there is a breakage over here, right? So that's why electricity is not flowing. That is known as an open circuit.
See and tell me if something is happening other than
There's
this
a-
LED.
Like
There's
yeah,
a
this is
L, and it blinks when the lights blink.
Exactly. There is this L thing which is also blinking along with this LED.